Alright, ladies, what we getting over here? Going with a shumai?
This one is 7, 6.
Popcorn, folks. You have fresh popcorn over here. Also got the shumai. How much of the shumai, honey?
6. On this one is 7.
And what are the flavors?
The Japanese.
This is the Japanese.
So the Japanese it's more expensive?
Yeah, only 1 peso.
Alright, so which ones did you go with, baby?
Lahat, ate. All.
What are you putting on there?
It's spicy.
What's the name of the spice?
I don't know. It's chili.
It's called what?
Chili. It's spicy. It's chili. No.
Alright, let's take a taster. Now we have a shumai shop right across from where we live. These ladies will be down here every day, all day. Oh no. Alright, let's go. I'm following you. Let's go. Go to the beach. Thank you, darling. Thank you. Thank you very much. You want the dirty ice cream? Oh, well, it's finished? Oh, my goodness. All right, brother. Ladies. You snooze, you lose. Folks, we're thinking about moving into one of these rooms here on the right. These are brand new rooms. Maybe getting this little condo down on the corner. Down on the corner. Out in the street. Where the poor boys are playing. Yeah. No thank you, darling. No thank you. They were trying to go for that dirty ice cream, but the dude was out. Sold out of the dirty ice cream. Yeah, buddy. Ladies, there's no more dirty ice cream on the beach. I'm telling you. Price on these here. Can you just tell us the price? How much for the crab?
950, sir, 1 kilo.
So $9.50 per kilo.
Yes, and lobster is 1,200.
1,200. My goodness, folks, I would love to put that on the grill. All right, $8.50. $8.50 on those crabs right there, folks, if you're wondering. Work it, babies, work it, work it. I'm not video, I'm taking pictures. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese. Work it, work it.
I know if video is not the picture. Did you?
Oh, that's a picture.
Listen, are we in the YouTube business or the Sports Illustrated business? Okay. Okay. All right. I'll switch over to photo. Get ready to pose. Okay. All right. Just show me what pose you're gonna do for the photo. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Here we go. We're just enjoying the sunset. I'll show it to you now. Obviously it gets backlit. You can't enjoy exactly what the human eye is seeing, but check that out. The Saturday evening here. A lot of folks out on Baloy Beach enjoying themselves. My goodness, we got barbecue in the air. Smoking me a fresh Swisher Sweet. Ladies over here looking absolutely stunning. Looking like superstars. Went to the Longpo Market today with wife number 1. Had a great day with her. And I think the ladies tonight are just gonna cook some shrimp and what are you gonna make, baby? Like lemon, garlic, lemon garlic butter sauce, delicious. Okay, so Janice is gonna cook. Sounds good to me. I might actually go with a sandwich, just to take the brunt out of my hunger, because I haven't ate anything all day. I don't think. Did I eat something today? No, I didn't eat nothing today. So I might eat me a ham sandwich. Let these ladies chew, chow down on the shrimp. The ladies at Forrest G. This dude here, was he a good boy while we were at the market, honey?
Yeah.
He was?
Yeah. He listened to me.
He was listening to you?
Just nothing. He said, mama, mama.
So he was a good boy while we were at the market. That's good. That's good. Good job, Forrest G. Good job, son. Proud of you, man. Staying at home and being good for Janice.
I'm always good job.
Yeah,
if I'm hungry, I'm not good job.
He's been sitting in his chair that Eric and Mercy bought him for his birthday. And thanks for that chair, because he loves sitting in the chair and watching TV. He's a good boy. He's got a little cup holder he puts his juice in. It's too cute. And thanks to Kevin and Auntie Carla, they got him some trucks, right?
Yeah, of course he loves the truck too.
He loves those trucks because they're little bitty trucks and you pull them back and they'll go in different directions. They don't just go forward. It'll like cut a curve and then go straight. So he can't figure those out. So
but other wheel is broken now. No, he cut the other wheel.
He cut one of the wheels off? Folks, he'll tear up a truck in a heartbeat. He will certainly tear up a truck or a toy in a heartbeat. That boy tear up a freight train, as the old folks say back in Mississippi. Folks, I'm enjoying a cigar. Shout out to my buddy Duke, man. Every time I smoke a cigar, I got to give you a shout out, brother, because like I said before, our challenge here is finding good cigars, and if you find good cigars, are they fresh? Most of the time they're not. I got a fresh Swisher Sweet. I got a cool SMB. And I'm just enjoying the sunset, folks. We got ladies all over the beach today. I'm talking beautiful Filipinas everywhere. Folks, if you're not a subscriber on my channel, maybe I haven't asked you, but bottom right hand corner of your screen, somewhere in there, right there next to my wife's beautiful face, hit that Overstay Road sign, get on board my train.
Gwapa ka na. Gwapa.
Me and Forrest G just chilling at the bar. He's drinking a, what are you drinking, buddy? I think he's drinking a pina colada. There's Amy over there. I think he's drinking a pina colada. Just chilling at the bar with Forrest G. This dude's growing up around the beach and beautiful ladies, drinking beer, drinking pina colada drink. Oh yeah, that's good. How's that rum in there, buddy?
Ang laki pa naman ang suso.
Like that rum? Whoa, easy, man. Don't try to stand up too quick. We're just joking. It's a buko shake. It's a coconut shake. Ain't got no rum in it. You bastard! Giving that baby rum and a pina colada.
You like me and Ate Pati Manawa.
I'm gonna report you. Do your worst. That's all I can say. How was that pina colada, buddy?
Ganun tayo kapag...
Is that delicious?
Kapag may basyo. Ate? Oy, ate, not give you the drink, ha?
We want beer. We want beer. Give him a shot of tequila. Yeah. This is
Tingnan mo si Forrest G,
Just chilling.
Look, your son, Marquito.
What's he doing, baby?
He's watching in the camera, too.
Oh, is he watching himself in the camera?
Go.
listen to some good music over there. Lady's driving me crazy, folks. You see the stress I'm under? You see the stress I'm under here? My gosh. Baby, as soon as I finish my beer, we can go home and cook the shrimp. We're not, hey, just let me finish my beer, my gosh. Cold beer is more important than your shrimp. Fatima, baby, why you looking so beautiful? You look like $1 million, honey. And I'm talking US dollars. I'm not talking pesos. I'm talking you look like $1 million. Of course, the dollar's down right now. Maybe I should say you look like $10 million. Folks, I love me some Elton John. I like better Elton John or Rod Stewart. Probably Rod Stewart. I saw Rod Stewart in concert, Sunrise, Florida, 2003, 2004, somewhere in there. Dude packed the house, nothing but cougars in there. My goodness, some cougars love Rod Stewart. Rich cougar.